everybody. This is Mary Sponlinka coming to you with another live. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're a new subscriber or you haven't subscribed at all, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I look forward to you enjoying my videos and seeing what I have to bring and some great information and valuable information that I'm going to share with you today. So, today's topic is going to be how fast I earned online and how I can show you to do the same. So I have been online for a couple of years, learning the online space, looking for ways to make money from home, leave that 9-to-5 job. And in doing so, I've gotten to know quite a few great people. So I've been following some people for a while now. After failing miserably online, not making a dime, having my money stolen, learned my lesson. Anyway, with following these people, they are six-figure earners, and I'm like, you know what? They can make money, I can make money. One of the ladies that I follow, she is a single mother, and she's a six-figure earner. And I'm thinking, I'm just like her. Why can't I make money? So anyway, I started following her, and in doing so, I joined a couple of her programs. And you know what? Her willingness to teach and share her insight to how she's been so successful has been simply amazing. And she's come up with this program that she had just created a couple months ago. Now this program is nothing like you've ever seen before. It is a task-based business where you complete simple tasks, and in doing these tasks, you get paid. Everything in this program is done on Facebook. There's no recruiting. You don't have to force your family and friends to get involved with it. People are going to see your value in your results, that they're going to get excited and they're going to want to know what you're doing. So, Successful Solution Method is the program that I'm involved with, and how fast I received money online is simply amazing with this program. I joined 2 months ago. It just was opened up 2 months ago, and within the first week I made $250. Now, to some of you that may not be a big deal, but to me, who's never earned online, you bet your butt it is. I'll take every $250 payment I can get, and the rewards, you know, it's exciting knowing that you can get an income online. So anyway, first week I made $250. Then the next week, I'm not sure the amounts, but I've made $400 here, $150 there. It just keeps coming in day after day, week after week. I am a little over 2 months into this program and have earned $2,350. Now I think that's pretty dang good for doing simple tasks that, you know, a child can do. Anyway, this program, because I've been able to earn this money on fast, what the program is basically about is helping people, showing people that, you know, there's a simple way to make money online, and there's a simple process. It's step by step. It's laid out for you, and there's no second guessing it. Videos to help you out. It explains everything in great detail. The founder of the program wanted something that was simple and wanted people to be able to earn. So with creating this program, she has made it simply amazing for us to do this. And my results, yes, I got results very fast, and it's been consistent. Looking forward to seeing what the program brings here in the near future. I have recently just upgraded in myself and went to the highest level with the program because I see the value And I know the possibility that's endless, and I absolutely love this program. So in having this program available, it just, it's been a really, really blessing to me, and I'm so proud to be a part of this awesome program. So if you're looking to get involved, make sure, you check out my link below, and I'll be happy to send you all the information. This is, such an amazing program. I can't say enough about it. We have a Facebook group that you can join with plenty of information, plenty of people willing to help. We've got a nice couple chat rooms that are available as well. So, it's a team effort. We're all working together towards the same goal, which is to be financially free and not have to answer to a boss or a 9-to-5 job, and just having our own time freedom. So I'm looking forward to showing you some more results, my progress with this program, and how fast you can earn online with this program. I did it within my first week. People are doing it in days, and people love it. So get involved. I'll leave my link, and I'll be happy to share with you my details and get you started. I just want to be able to put this out there and have everybody have an honest, fair chance at receiving money like I have. And so if you're interested, link down below. And I look forward to showing you my next couple of videos. Make sure you check out my YouTube channel, because I do have a live interview with the founder of the program, which she is doing here on a weekly basis now with people that have had some great success with the business. And it's something, that you want to take a look at. So anyway, I want to thank you for checking out my YouTube channel, reviewing my videos, and I look forward to doing many more for you. So with that being said, have an awesome day, and I will talk to you later.